This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
Okay, so we'll be just doing a quick comparison of the various platforms. So basically, as you start, as we start, setting up the various social channels, right? So it's always good to know what are the pros and cons, what works, what does not work, right? So I want to have a quick like a discussion on this. Okay, so see, these are the main social platforms. Okay, especially for an from an Indian context, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest. Okay, now out of these, first of all, Facebook is like the big daddy, right? So it was the um, first social channel to really gain acceptance, and we look at the numbers, but basically it has the largest number of monthly active users right now. Okay, the only competition that Facebook would have would be of with the messaging apps. Okay, which we are not discussing, but in terms of actual number of people logging in every day, Facebook is the leader. Okay, it's also the most massy, right? So every platform has a characteristic. So Facebook is massy, like all kinds of people, across the board. They are on Facebook. Although now what is happening is that people are moving from a lot of the younger generation, college students especially, right? They are moving from Facebook to Instagram because of, I mean, one is that people are saying that there are too many ads on Facebook, which is the truth. And also, Facebook, it's like a mini blog post. You are allowed to write so much, and it's not engaging for a lot of people, as opposed to Instagram, which is just images, easy to browse. It's relaxing to look at it. So that's what is happening now. uh, Now Twitter is really like the what is it's really it's about what is happening right now. That's really what Twitter is, right? So if you go to right now, right? So if there is an event happening, so then people would be tweeting, using Twitter to tell everyone what is working, as in what's happening at any point of time, right? So election rallies, conferences, IT events, webinars, so those live quizzing, so these are the kind of scenarios where Twitter is really used to the maximum. Okay, and so the reason you should understand these differences is that you should know not everything, like when you're making a content calendar. Okay, it's not that whatever you're posting on Facebook, I mean, you can always do that. You can always uh, post Twitter, Instagram, you can post the same thing, but you must know at the back of your mind that every platform has a certain characteristic. So images, visually, aesthetic images, okay, those will do well on Instagram. Okay, something which is riding on something, if you're doing a tweet on the Assam around what is happening right now. So for example, in India, the Assam election, West Bengal elections, and you're doing something around that will have a good chance of reception. Okay, and Facebook is more of it's like casual banter, between people, colleagues. It's really that. Okay, out of these, Twitter and LinkedIn is the more professional channels for sure, right? So even if you are a company which is into organic honey, right? You're selling organic honey, but if you want to share some industry report, okay, saying that, okay, organic food, the growth in India is so much, and we are well placed in this category. Something like that. So there again, the place to do that would be on Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, not Facebook and Instagram. So that's the point. Okay. Uh, LinkedIn has moved from earlier it was like a resume database. Okay, it was more about that. It was more HR managers coming to see, search for resumes, profiles. But now it is like any other like social media network. Okay, we will talk about how some of the features, right? How each have kind of taken from each other. We'll come to that, but it is like any other social media uh, platform. Okay, YouTube is different from the others. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, in the sense that YouTube is I mean, the first use case is that it is a repository of your video content. Okay, so if you're like coming back to the organic honey example, right? So if you're selling organic honey, then on YouTube you will have testimonials of if you have video testimonials, if you have testimonials from the farmers from where you're sourcing the honey, right? So those that kind of video content will come in your YouTube channel. So that is the first use case. Okay, yes, there is the sharing which happens on YouTube. uh, you know uh, of course people like, comment, all that is there, but that's not the primary scenario. The primary scenario is that it's like a video repository, and that repository videos are taken and shared on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, right? So it works that way. Okay, it has been like this for some time now. Okay, Pinterest is a planning tool. Okay, so if you look at uh, in that sense, again, it is different from. Okay, so basically it is if it's really, for example, if you have to search for okay. So you know so the reason I'm saying Pinterest is a planning tool is that it is very unlike, again, other social media platforms. So this is the primary scenario in which it is used. You go and you search, and whatever you like, you can you can also go to the website of the person who has pinned this. Okay, or you can add it. I mean, it will show up here. You can add this to your collection. Okay, so that's really the way Pinterest is used. Okay, so so Pinterest is not for. I mean, it is for very specific verticals, industries. Like if you're in travel, retail. Retail is the biggest user of the Pinterest platform. Okay, so it's not. So of course, if you're in information technology or software, this is not the platform for you that way. Okay, so that's with respect to this thing. With respect to the what works, what does not work. So one of the things. Okay, now coming to the features. Okay, some of the features which get used a lot. So Twitter was really the first channel to start using hashtags. Okay, so people started using hashtags, and then slowly everyone else started allowing people to use hashtags. But by far, the most number of the number of people who are using hashtags is the highest on Twitter, and now Instagram. Okay, Instagram also is becoming very common. Okay, Facebook, it is, I mean, you can, of course, you can use it on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, but the maximum mileage that you get, that will be on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, apart from that, stories as a as a feature. It was first actually started by Snapchat. Okay, I mean Snapchat is a separate social platform, right? So it was started by Snapchat, then it was copied by Instagram, and now every platform has stories. Okay, the main attraction of stories is that it is there only for 24 hours, and you can't like search previous stories, so it's like disappearing media. Okay, so it's for things that you don't want to be stored and which are not so important for the brand and for you, that you need to store and people need to be able to see it. So the thing about stories is, and stories actually is just within Facebook, Instagram. If you look at the Facebook ecosystem, just within that, more like half a billion, so that is 500 million stories get seen or uploaded, right, every single day. That's the kind of impact, okay, that stories has. Okay. um, Apart from that, tagging, like you can tag some personality, right? Now again, that kind of behavior you can do that across channels, but the maximum mileage that you will get will be on Twitter. Okay. So that whole scenario or use case where you're tagging some celebrity and trying to get the person's attention, okay, that happens best on Twitter. Okay. Influencers, uh, so they are influencers across platforms, but the where they are really making news and where they are getting paid also well is on Instagram right now. It's really the biggest social channel for influencers. Okay. uh, so ads is something which across the board it's now supported. Okay. So this is the this is like a comparison, or I just wanted to give you a summary of what works best, okay, in each of these platforms.